is some of this, Ferguson, Missouri's 120 miles away. Is this ramped up somewhat because of the proximity to Ferguson?
Yeah, I think so. I absolutely think so. And, St. Louis has been a cauldron for a while now with what's going on there. And a
Yeah.
lot of these students are from there. A lot of them, were there during the summer. And I do think that there's a correlation to that. And, you can extrapolate even beyond that, really. I mean, Missouri has had a long, long history as a border state with a complicated and at times somewhat shameful racial history. I don't think it's ever quite reconciled itself to what it really is. And Ferguson kind of was the latest manifestation of this. And I think the kids are on campus are reacting to what they've seen 2 hours away.
I said I am for protests. I'm not for witch hunts, but I don't know if this qualifies as a witch hunt. In the last 2 weeks, the stories you've read about it, is it a dangerous precedent where young, passionate kids who have great and terrible ideas are using their leverage, their emotional leverage? Should we be concerned, or this is not a witch hunt and it was time to go?
I think both emotions are accurate or defensible out of this. It is great for students to have a voice and for the football team to not just be a bunch of cloistered meatheads that go to the locker room and the weight room and the stadium and don't care about anything else. And for them to involve themselves, and for the administration to say, yeah, it's cool. And a coach, a 63-year-old coach who grew up during the Kent State era and maybe has a little greater understanding of some of this stuff, to say, okay, you know what, if this is what you guys believe in, we're with you. But at the same time, as you kind of referenced, college kids aren't necessarily always the most thoughtful. They can be overly emotional. They can overreact. They can try to, stomp their feet to get change for the sake of getting change. I wrote a column this morning that said, there is great power in college athletics, but with great power comes great responsibility. College kids aren't necessarily the most responsible people out there. So we'll see if there's a ripple effect from this with other sports teams out there, and if they do smart things or if they do dumb things.